what's up YouTube? This is David. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I've learned about using sort function. Let's dive in. Okay, so as you can see in the image above, as you can see, this is how we use sort function. Basically, it sorts the table according to ascending or descending, and you have to specify the columns. In this example, I have drafted out the scanners, and they have picked according to the dates that are top gainers. So right now on the most left hand corner, I've already used the sort function to pick the top gainers, and I sort it according to descending order. So as you can see, the percentage change according to the highest to the lowest. I set it at minimum 100%. So that means if the tickers on the left achieve more than 100% return for today, it will show up on this column. So right now I'm going to show you how we use sort function. So as you can see in this column, it is sort according to from the highest to the lowest, whereas in the center and on the right hand corner it is not. So I'm going to show you that you can actually skip the range and go straight to the function that you want to sort. What do I mean by that? You see, this is a function that I return, that I pull data from this table, which is at this place, As you can see, the price change. I pull the table, pull the data out, and place it in this table. So right now the numbers are not sorted according to the highest to the lowest. We can easily tell because the ticker number 10 has achieved 132% return for today. So normally when you use the sort function, you have to specify the range and specify the column. But a trick that I found, that you don't need to specify the range and just straight away tackle the function that you already placed. So this is the function call that I did, and in order to replace this existing table, this trick that I found out, that you can actually append to the return code by doing this. Sort, take the whole function, then add in the requirement that you need. So this is according to column 2, because I want this sort according to this column, and I want it to sort according to descending. There you have it. You see, I do not need to rearrange, or I do not need to write another sort function. I straight away append the current sort function that I need to the tables that I already pre-programmed. Now do you understand how to use sort function? Let me show you another example. Let's go to the third table here. And again, this is the top gainers that I've pulled from 6th of May. As you can see on the right hand corner, the percentage change is not sort according to the highest to the lowest. So in order to save space, I just append the sort function to the current function that I've written. This is the range, or this is the table that I want to write, and all I have to do is to append the sort function into this code here, because I want it to sort according to the percentage change, which is on the second column, and I want the highest to the lowest, which is false. And if it got correct, I should have the highest percentage change on the top and the lowest 100% at the bottom. Okay, so PTN has achieved nothing. It basically stays at 100%, and BTU has achieved 113%. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I'm back. So this is the ticker symbol BTU. As you can see, this was captured on the 7th of May, which is last Friday, and this is today's price. So according to the table that I've pulled, it has achieved 13% gain just on today. So this is pre-market order, and it has achieved 6.15. You can calculate from there. So the market close was at 5.119, and the market open, the highest was 6.150. So according to my table, it had achieved at least 13% return. Okay, so I hope you understand how to use sort function in your Google Sheet without creating another table just to display or print out the data. You can actually append a new function to the current code, and it will rearrange itself on the table itself. That means you don't have to use it on another space or another row, column, or another sheet. You can just append the sort function onto the current code that you return. It's pretty amazing. I just found out this trick. So if you like what you see here and you enjoy the video that I made, please like, and if you are new here, please subscribe if you like me to create more videos like this. I'll catch you again. Bye.